Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add music on your TikTok video. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your TikTok app and then click on the plus button right over here. Then what you can do is go to add sound, just like that, and you can also pick your favorite sounds or your recent sounds that you have used. So yeah, this is how you guys can add music to your TikTok video. Just go and let's say you want to select this sound, just click on this sound and then you'll be able to record videos in the sound you have picked. This is how you guys can add music to your TikTok video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to leave a comment on my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.